Hi guys, today we have another unboxing video. This time around is from a company called JEYI, and the item we're unboxing is an NVMe Enclosure 4230, the short ones. We've got USB 3.2 or 10 gigabit per second, in line with aluminium M.2 SATA case with magnet protective case. Color Zebra 2230C. Okay. There's nothing else on the packaging. I'm not entirely sure it's anything more interesting. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my Stanley knife if I can find it. I'll get my Stanley knife from somewhere. Let me just see. Can't find my Stanley knife. Oh yeah, found it. Here we go. Well, it's not a Stanley knife, it's a Milwaukee knife, but because it's sharp, people refer to it as a Stanley knife. So, okay. So, oh, that was. So I'm sure you've seen this one before. This is all that's in the box. Okay, there's nothing else. Put that away. So we got a screwdriver. Okay, Phillips. We've got a quick manual instructions. Okay, it says 3.1 Gen 2, so there's more discrepancies in the description, because on there, I don't know if you can see that, on there it says 3.2, USB 3.2. On the actual manual it says 3.1, so we'll give it a go, see how it actually transfers the information. So it explains how you're supposed to put the SSD. Okay, so let's give it a go. I don't think I need the manual. So inside the packaging we've got the actual enclosure. Take that out. Okay, and we also got thermal parts. We got a small strap for the case. You can see you got a bit of an eye on it, which we can attach a strap. I don't think I need it, to be fair. And you've got some extra screws. I'm not sure if these are meant to be used on the inside for the SSD. Maybe they are. So let's pull this one out. Okay, so this is magnet, which is nice. It's okay. Yeah, I was expecting a bit more resistance in the magnet. Okay, made in China. Thunder 8. Okay, Thunder 8. Got a small LED light on there. So let's take these things off and see if we can pull the actual NVMe. I've got a spare NVMe here, 20 to 30 size, 1 terabyte, which you can potentially. Okay, that just comes off. Right, so we've got one place for a screw, so I very much think that we're gonna use that. I'll take the thermal pad off. We'll put it on the memory chip as well. Right, yeah, and we'll use the screw. I don't know what the other screw is for. Let's see quickly the manual. What does it say? So we take these two screws off, put the SSD in, tighten them to a fixing screw, apply thermal on the chip, which we will, and that's it. So I don't know why we got two different types, maybe for two different types of NVMe's, I suppose. So this is the NVMe. And put it sideways in there. I need to make this video quick, sorry. Okay. Okay, that slot in quite nicely there. So we're then gonna have one of the screws. I think they're all the same now. Yes. Yeah, they all look the same. So I've got the right one. Okay. I don't know if I don't think it's this one, to be fair, guys. Give it a go. Now, tighten up. Is it this or the other? There's a bit of a difference between the screws, like, and I think something to do with staticity. I think probably I'll have to use that one rather than this one. This is like a spare. So if for any reason we take the SSDs off, it's like a spare. So this is like more like zinc rather than being steel. so it wouldn't transfer statistics to the actual chip. Okay, so we need some thermal paste. Looking at that, oh, they've already cut in pieces. Like, okay, that's nice. So all we need to do is just take it out and just put it on. So taking this one out, one piece at a time. For heat dissipation, another one. And then, yeah, oops. Okay, that's okay there. And then one more for the bottom one as well. Or do we put just a full stack? I'll put full stack, easy to cover all the capacitors. Probably will receive some negative criticism to the comments, put in thermal paste on capacitors like that. Okay, so that's there. Doesn't look very nice, but oh no, you see, we just need to be careful not to cover the screw slots. We don't want to put any thermal paste in there, do we? Okay, so that's in there. We just slide it in like that. Oh, the other way out? Is it the other way out? Either way, I guess we need to just slightly apply pressure. Is it pressure? Yeah. Oh, what? That came out. Okay, there's a bit of a. Okay, I think we got it now. Okay. Okay, it's actually quite tight now. Okay, so what we need to do is just put these on. So this took so long. 6 minutes now. Jesus, 7. Okay. So let's screw this one in. Okay. And this one as well. Okay. And that's it. So I'll quickly test it on my machine, just see if it works. Hold with me for a sec. See if the light comes on. Yeah, the light comes on. Let's see if the machine finds it. Open it up, bear with me. Okay, I need to sign in. And yeah, it works like a charm, yeah. Yeah. Yep. No issues there. Okay. So yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the enclosure. I'll post a link. I got this from AliExpress because it's cheaper. I mean, there's Amazon options as well, but I just thought I can obtain this cheaper. Waited for it for a week, so quite nice, quite small, compact, and would work perfectly with your iPhone or system. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good time. Bye.